You are asked to prepare 400 ml of a product which is 0.8% weight per volume of active ingredient. Your stock solution contains 240 mg per 5 ml. How much stock solution do you need to use? Calculate to 2 decimal places. Now I wrote this example because I've added in extra complications in that I've given you concentrations expressed as a percentage weight per volume for the final product, and that the starting product is 240 mg per 5 ml, not simply given the strength per ml. You won't be surprised to hear we're going to use two methods. So the first one, again, C1 times V1 equals C2 times V2. And if we read our question, we're being asked how much stock solution we need to use, so that's V1. Rearrange our equation means that V1 equals C2 times V2 divided by C1. Let's look at C1. So as I say, we've been told that C1 is 240 milligrams in 5 ml. So we need to work out how many milligrams there would be in 1 ml. So that's simply 240 divided by 5, which gives us an answer of 48. To calculate C2, we're told that this is 0.8%. So we need to convert that to milligrams per mil. If I could just remind you that 0.8% means 0.8 grams in 100 mils. If we convert that to milligrams, that's 800 milligrams in 100 mils, which means it's 8 milligrams in 1 mil. So C2 equals 8. Do we know V2? Yes, we do, and thankfully we're just given that V2 equals 400. So if we pop these figures into our equation, so C2 is 8 times V2 is 400 divided by C1, which is 48, equals 3,200 divided by 48, which equals to 2 decimal places, 66.67 mils. Okay, so that's the first method. Second method, using the dilution factor. Again, dilution factor is the initial strength divided by the final strength. So you'd have to do exactly as we did in the first method. We calculate the initial strength by dividing 240 by 5 equals 48. We calculate the final strength by converting from the percentage strength to the weight strength, gives us 8. So our dilution factor is 6. So then we take our, what do we take? Our amount of concentrate, that's what we take. Our amount of concentrate is equal to the final volume divided by the dilution factor, our final volume being 400, and we divide that by 6, again works out to 66.67 mils.